to the next presenter. The next person presenting the work is Atika Destri Hamdhanti. And I apologize if I mispronounce names. Atika, you with us? I think Hatnashri, you have to stop sharing. Yes, thank you.
Yes, thank you.
I see Atika. Thank you very much for joining us for this adventure. Where are you coming from?
I'm from Indonesia.
Okay, great, awesome to have you here with us. I will give you the floor to talk about building Indonesian high school astronomy, learning education without barriers. I love the title. Barriers is something that I really hate. So if you do something without barriers, you are clearly in the right path. So you can start sharing your screen. I will let you know when you have only 5 minutes left, which include all the questions. Welcome on board, and please take the floor. The floor is yours.
Yes, thank you, Rosa. Okay. Hello, everyone.
Are you sharing your screen? You're going to share your screen?
Oh, okay. I do. Yeah. All right.
Perfect. Thank you.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. Allow me to introduce myself. I'm Atika Destri from Indonesia, and now I'm a student at the Jakarta Islamic University. Yeah. And in shaping this project, I'm not alone. There are my partners. Namely Satyo Majid from Jakarta State University and Sarisri Sukmawati from Ahmad Dahlan University. Okay. So let me start with what is Labview. Labview, or LABU, stands for Learning Astronomy by Yourself, Building Indonesian High School Astronomy Learning Education Without Barriers. Yeah. Labview is a basic astronomy learn platform created as a learning medium for the public in getting to know the basic science in astronomy. Yeah. Okay. Well, now how developing astronomy education in Indonesia, how enthusiasm citizens to learn and observe astronomy, and how astronomy education access to the public. Yeah. First, enthusiasm citizen to learn and observe astronomy. The development of public knowledge about astronomy has been growing rapidly every year, and so citizens start form want to know or just want to know or want to know more, or initially just want to know, then want to know more and more. But yeah, let's look at the picture on the side. When there are astronomy phenomena, like a lunar or solar eclipse, then a planetarium, or even almost all astronomy clubs in Indonesia, they are open observation to the public. Many citizens are very enthusiastic, yeah, willing to waiting in long lines, just want to see the phenomena with a telescope, yeah. And this is a fully participant in each event phenomena at observing place. Yeah, and also Indonesia takes competition in International Olympiad Astronomy and Astrophysics, or IOAA. This is related to astronomy education access to the public. Yeah. The access can be said difficult because indeed was not followed by formal astronomy education in Indonesia, which was relatively stagnant due to the unavailability of the curriculum in school. Yeah. So the curriculum in pre-university was not available in Indonesia, especially. If you learn astronomy at school, only there is get into college, and so if them want to learn more about astronomy must get into that college, and that becomes the difficult situation, real difficult. Yeah. So it's also difficult because of that lack of teaching materials in Indonesian language. So because Indonesia is a vast country and has many islands which also have different language. Of course, it is very difficult if you want to learn more about astronomy in English. This need more effort and in accessibility of astronomy learning facilities in various regions of Indonesia. So the Labview was born, which would provide astronomy lessons, start from the basics and also easily to access. And next, based on the things that happen, my team and I proposed to develop website based astronomy learning media. This website will be designed using a hosting system that can be developed by yourself. Yeah. So in this website, there will be three components. First, pre-education platform, science communicator forum, and international national project collaboration. So yeah, about education platform in Labview, there will be two parts in astronomy, astronomy collaborative simulation and e-learning. In astronomy collaborative simulation, it's their live sky observation. We use the similar stellarium or Google Sky Map simulation to Google Sky Map simulation to see the live sky. Yeah, this live sky observation to recognize to students what is in the sky, like constellation, planets, or deep sky object, or anything else. Yeah, and in interactive simulation, this is for learning like about how apparent motion of the sun, how to learn the rotation or revolution of the earth, and then DIY project. This is for do it yourself. So make a project for learning tools or the media of learning, which can be made yourself. Yeah. And next is the e-learning. So the Labview were like an online campus course that has several as supporting media like lecture video, syllabus, e-learning model, assignment, and quiz, and discussion forum. Next, about science communicator forum. Yeah, that is a communication platform for sharing about events or activities like webinar and workshop, and also blog or article about astronomy updates. Okay, next about international national project astronomy collaboration. This became science communicator for astronomy project in Indonesia. So anyone can join or create a project about astronomy, and also can become collaborator, facilitator astronomy institute in Indonesia. So then amateur astronomy can help professional astronomy to detect the phenomena and processing astronomy data. So this web can also function to help astronomers to get astronomical data or some information that may be needed. Yeah. Next, we plan collaboration with Indonesian Astronomy Association, Bandung Institute of Technology, regional amateur astronomy communities, other science communicator, and also open to international collaboration. Yeah. So so we hope the Labview can be growing new astronomer enthusiasts in Indonesia. It can be amateur or professional astronomer, and become citizen astronomy learning communicator and become citizen participatory facilitator in Indonesia. Yeah, thank you for your attention. We are very much expecting inputs and suggestions from all participants. Thank you, Orsa. I'm done.
Thank you very much for your presentation. That was, wow, you have put yourself in a very gigantic mission. How many people you have in your team?
I have 3 for now.
3
3
for now.
people, include me.
Okay. Well, we have a question here from Gayantri de Silva. Can you please give names of astronomical interactive simulation sites that are available free for our students to study?
No.
Well, I'm not sure that the question is it's the astronomical interactive sites or maybe programs that people can use, right? There is a couple of programs that can be used for that purposes. Well, there is another question from Adriana Navis. She's asking if you can share the website of the project.
Oh yeah. I show my website.
You have to share the screen again.
Yeah. Wait. Yeah.
You have to go back to the presentation and maybe put in presentation mode, or just type the address in the chat so that everyone can go and visit your website.
Yeah. Yeah. This is our website. This is our website. Coming soon will be coming soon in November 2020.
It's not online yet.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Okay, so maybe you can become part of the WhatsApp group. I have shared the address with all of you. I can share again. And with that, when your website is ready, you can let everyone know that this wonderful list of material, this wonderful menu will be available to everyone. Do you collaborate with the group from Langsalaten, the Aviva Yamani group, or you are a different group?
I'm sorry.
Do you know Aviva Yamani? Have you ever met Aviva?
No.
No.
Yamani, no.
Okay, so I have to put you in touch with her. She's also developing a very nice, interesting effort on astronomy outreach in Indonesia that might be of interest to you. So I will make sure that I put you two in contact with each other. Is there, let me take a look. Okay, so I think Gayatri was asking about simulations. Do you have any favorite simulation online that can be used for to teach astronomy? What is your favorite one? You use, for instance, Stellarium or Mitaka or Celestia. Atika, can you hear me? I think I suspect we're having some connection problems here.
I think it's prayer time.
Don't we have 4 more minutes, Gustavo?
We have 4 more minutes, but I think it's her prayer time now. I just heard the announcement of
Okay,
prayer.
okay.
So
Okay, prayer time. Okay.
I think we
Yeah,
can stop the presentation now and wait 5 minutes for the next talk.
sure,
Meanwhile,
sure.
if you want to, so thank you.
Atika, yeah, thank you
Atika,
very
yeah,
much.
thank you very much. If you want to introduce Fraser to the audience.
Yeah, sure, sure. So I'll give the floor to Fraser, my colleague that is going to be the next host. But before I put Fraser on the spot, I just would like to give this answer. So Gayatri, you have several softwares that you can use online with students. My favorite one, if you put yourself on Earth, look into the sky, it's Stellarium, is one that we use a lot. If you want to take an interstellar travel, you can use Mitaka. It's a very nice software that it even allows you to accopplate augmented and virtual reality to it. So these are two of the the ones that I suggest. But we can continue exchanging thoughts. You can always use the WhatsApp group to ask colleagues which ones they are using with more success.